What are the 401k limits for 2023? How much can you contribute to your 401k before you can't anymore and HR cuts you off? Let's break it down and check the numbers to see if you're on track to hit the max or whatever your goal may be for the year. The 401k contribution limit in 2023 is $22,500. The limits are the same for the pre-tax traditional 401k, where contributions reduce your taxable income for the year, and the post-tax Roth 401k. Hey, you can mix and match all you want. The contribution types can go either to the Roth or the traditional, but you can't exceed the max across both types, meaning you can't put $22,500 in the Roth and another $22,500 in the traditional side, or any combination that exceeds the $22,500. The catch-up contribution for 2023 rises $1,000 from the prior year to $7,500. You qualify for the catch-up if you're age 50 or beyond. If you are, you could potentially sock away $30,000 in your 401k. And even if you have a side gig and have a 401k there, you're still limited to the maximum amount across all your 401ks. IRAs and Roth IRAs, though, that's a different story. The limits are different, but the 401k limits have no bearing on your IRAs. You can save in and max out both a 401k and a Roth IRA.